Hello dear students, welcome you all. Welcome to Math Smart by Prashant Sir YouTube channel. So today in this video I come up with one more important sample paper related to International Maths Olympiad examination. So now this time we are discussing the question paper sample questions related to 8th class standard. Already in our channel I posted 6th class 7th class sample question papers. Now this is 8th class paper. In the coming days I am going to post even 9th 10th classes also. Apart from not only these sample papers, we are going to discuss preparation tips or tricks and all these things. You are going to get complete information. I'm going to hear you the complete info. I'm going to help you. I'm going to what we can say give you the complete information regarding International Maths Olympiad examination. That is the reason. Please do watch from the beginning to ending, and moreover, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you'll get all my updates. Not only see now right now we are discussing all these questions through in a PDF, but in the coming days we are going to discuss all the class on a beautiful interactive panel that is on the digital board. I hope you understood. Okay, need your support and all, so I hope you can able to understand. Right, now without wasting time we are going to discuss this sample question paper of 8th class. Now listen, first question. You know already there are 4 different sections are there. One is a logical reasoning section, mathematical reasoning section, everyday mathematics. Finally you are having achiever section. Okay na? Right, now let us start the questions. So in this logical reasoning question, you just observe here, you can see the question paper of this logical reasoning. The logical reasoning as part of the sample paper, only 3 questions given. One is from blood relations, and the next one is from dice, and the third one is from number series. Okay, just listen my dear children. And now what we do is focus on blood relations. Focus on blood relations. What it is? Pointing to a man in a photograph, a woman says, and he is the only son. He is the only son of the only daughter-in-law of my only son's father. See, something different statement. So then how is the man related to woman? The question is what? How is the man related to woman is the question. Very good question. See, this kind of questions are called indirect relations because pointing to one person, other person is staying. That's why this is called indirect relations. So in these type of indirect relations, first you should understand who is saying. So in this question, who is saying here? Woman is saying. In the statement, somewhere you can able to find my. Definitely my will be there. Now you divide the statement after my. Sorry, you divide the statement after my is one statement and before my is other statement. You divide into 2 parts. After my, next one is what we can say before my. I hope you understood. Okay, now my is there. My means here simply who is saying, woman is saying. You can write somewhere woman here. Okay, now I am writing somewhere woman. Okay, then after woman, my only son. My only son means woman's only son. So woman is having a son. Okay, then after son's father. Son's father means you know already that person should be woman's husband. I hope you understood. Okay, that person should be what we can say woman's husband. Then after next what happened, my dear child, my dear children. Now where we are? Now we are at father. We are at father means now we are at this point. After that we just focus on before my, after my, and before my. What is before my? Before my means daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law of. Daughter-in-law of means what does it mean? So this particular wife and husband is having a son. Son must have what we can say wife. If son is having wife, then only we can say she is the daughter-in-law of this particular husband of woman. Okay. Now we are at this particular wife. Before daughter-in-law, what we have? He is the only son of. He is the what we can say before daughter-in-law. Before daughter-in-law, what we have? I'm very sorry. Before daughter-in-law, we have he is the only son of. He is the only son of. That person is what we can say. Again, one that person is there. No, that man who is there in the photograph. That person is what we can say only son of this particular daughter-in-law. This daughter-in-law of what we can say husband, woman's husband. I hope you understood. Now based on this, what is the question? How is the man related to woman? How is the man related to woman? Now you tell me, shall I call this man as a grand what we can say son to woman? Yes, grandson is the answer for this question. Okay na? See my dear child, once you must understand, if you don't have proper information regarding this blood relation, no, you can't understand. That is the reason first you try to understand. If you read this, if you watch this video, you can able to understand, oh, these type of questions are coming in examination, so that I can focus on these chapters and I can able to answer these type of models like this. Like that you are going to get some idea. Okay, so I'm here to provide you the complete foundation course also. Don't worry, I'm here. You need proper guidance. If you have a proper guidance, then only you can able to achieve that. Okay, first question successfully finished. Now we are going to focus on second question. The three different positions of a dice are given below. Okay, which number is on the face opposite to 1? Which number is on the face opposite to 1? Which number is on the face opposite to 1? So opposite to 1 we should find. For that what we do is, actually we are having rule 1, rule 2, rule 3, rule 4. Total we are having 4 rules. I am not here to discuss about all these 4 rules. Just observe here. Focus on first diagram and last diagram. In this first diagram and last diagram, 3, 6 and 3, 6 common. Therefore 2 and 1 are opposite to each other. 3, 6 and 3, 6 common. Simply what we can say, 2 and 1 are both are opposite to each other. 2 is opposite to 1, 1 is opposite to 2. So which number is opposite to 1 means what is your answer? 2 is the opposite to 1. 2 is opposite to 1. I hope you understood. Now we are going to focus on third question. My dear children, have you understood what I am trying to convey? Okay, if you know the rules, you can able to understand this. Nothing else. Now third question. What is third question? The digits of each of the following 5 numbers. Total we have how many numbers? Total we have 5 different numbers. Okay, nice. Total we have 5 numbers. The digits of each of the following 5 numbers are written in reverse order. They are written in what order? Reverse order. And digits are written in reverse order. 5 new numbers are obtained. Obviously, which of the following will be the third digit? Which of the following will be the third digit of the second highest new number? Wow. First we should what we can say, in each and every number, first what we should do, we should write the digits in reverse order. After writing the digits in reverse order, then what we should do, we have to identify the second highest number. After identifying the second highest number, in that third digit we should find. Third digit we should find. Now let's see. Once observe, my dear children, just I'm explaining this question here. I don't have proper space now. I'm explaining here. First we do one thing. No, we can interchange like this. There only we can write. See, first one is you can write 315. First one is you can write 315. Second one is you can write 627. Third one is you can write 294. Then next one is you can write 568. Then you can write 941. Okay na? So among all these second highest number. This is the first highest number you know already, and this is second high. This only. Sorry, cancel. This is second highest number. So in the second highest number, he asked to find out the third digit. Okay now, what is the third digit in the second highest number? Is the what will be the third digit of the second highest number? Now tell me what is third digit here. Shall I say here third digit is simply 7? Yes, third digit is simply what we can say, 7. 7 is our third digit. Therefore, what is the answer for this question? 7. Therefore, with these 3 questions we finished logical reasoning section. Logical reasoning section. Now we are here to discuss next one, that is mathematical reasoning. Now we are going to focus on mathematical reasoning. Okay, so in order to answer that mathematical reasoning, I need to erase this. If you want, again you can play back so that you can able to see this also, you know already. Now we are focusing on question number 4. Fourth question, my dear children. What is fourth question? Please once do like and comment how I am teaching. Have you understood what I am trying to convey? If I am teaching somewhat speedily or slowly, please give your comment. Now this one is what? The area of the rectangle is given by 6x square y plus 4y square x and width of the rectangle is given by 2xy. Find the perimeter of the rectangle. See, one thing is very clear. You know already regarding this rectangle. Yes or no? Already you know this information regarding rectangle. Okay, this is rectangle. Now this rectangle is having what we can say, length we have, and width means breadth also we have. That story you know. And what is the width of this rectangle? The width of this rectangle is, you can take simply 2xy. 2xy is the width of the rectangle. Okay, then after area given, no, area given. Area formula is what actually L into B. Area is what we can say L into B. See, if you divide L into B by simply B, if you divide L into B, if you divide L into B by simply what we can say B, then what you are going to get? L you are going to get. In order to get the length of this, you should do that one. Now what I am doing is 6x square y we have plus 4y square x we have. Okay na? I am dividing this area by what we can say, I am dividing the area by width. If I am dividing area by width, we are going to get what we can say, length. After getting length, we can able to find out its perimeter very easily. See, from numerator I can take least number. 2 is the least number, x is also least number, y is also least number. I can take 2xy common from numerator. If I take 2xy common from numerator, what you are getting? 3x you are getting here, plus here 2y you are getting. What is your answer? 3x plus 2y. I am dividing by what we can say 3xy. So once observe here 2xy and 2xy cancelled. What is the length here? Length is equal to 3x plus 2y. But we don't want length here. According to given question, what he asked to find? Perimeter. What is the perimeter? 2 times of L plus B. 2 times of L plus B means 2 lengths and 2 widths. You should add that, you know already. What is the length here? 2 times of 3x plus 2y. And what is the width here? Width is equal to 2xy. If you multiply this, you are going to get the answer 6x plus 4y plus 4xy. 6x plus 4y plus 4xy. 6x plus 4y plus 4xy. Very good. So third one is the answer for this question. 6x plus 4y plus 4xy. That is the answer for this question number 4. I hope you understood, my dear children. Okay, na? So I have something different question. If you can solve somewhat speedily, you can able to see. You need not to do all these steps. Actually, I am explaining in order to understand in a better way. I am explaining all these steps neatly, but simply. So here 2 you can take common, x you can take common, y you can take common, 2xy you can take common, dividing by 2xy, 2xy cancel. Directly you should be in a position to say the breadth, what we can say, width or breadth, whatever, 2x plus 3y. Then 2 times of that 6x plus 4y. Okay. Now whichever option is having 6x plus 4y, that is only answer. You not even need not do all these things. 2 times of L must be there. In that way also you can think. Okay. Now question number 5. Observe, my dear children. Question number 5. What is fifth question? In a class of 100 students, total how many students are there? 100 students. 30% of students offered English. Okay. 30% of students offered English. 20% offered Hindi. If a student is selected at random, what is the probability that he offered English? Okay, now the question is a probability question. Probability formula is what? A favorable number of outcomes by total number of outcomes. Okay, now probability concept, favorable number of outcomes by total number of outcomes. Here total number of outcomes are how many? 100, because total number of students are 100. Favorable number of outcomes are 100. Nice. Out of 100, 30%. 30% of 100 means 30 and 20% of 100 means 20. What does it mean? 30 students offered English, 20 students offered Hindi. Now probability regarding English. Favorable number to English how many? 30. Favorable number to English is 30. Total number is 100. 30 by 100 means 0, 0 cancel. You are getting how much? 3 by 10. Therefore 3 by 10 is the answer for this beautiful question. Okay. Now we are going to focus on question number 6. What is sixth question? One equation given. Okay, now then find the values of x and y. He asked to find out the value of what we can say x and y. Now let's see. Now let's see, my dear children. Now I'll do one thing. I should erase all these, because in order to explain that, if you want again you can go back. Again you can listen that video. No, you can able to write if you want. If you want to make a notes, you can again just you just listen. You backward the video. You can able to understand. Now question number 6. Now we are discussing what we can say sixth question. What is sixth question? If 3 power x plus y. So 3 power x plus y. 3 power x plus y is equal to 81. 81 means you can write 3 power 4. Therefore, with this what we can conclude, x plus y is equal to 4. You need not to do all these steps also. You need not to do all these steps also. Find the values of x and y. To find what values? X and y. And if you are adding both, what we should get? 4 you should get. If you add all, you should get 4. See, not getting 4 here and not getting 4 here. So C and D are not options. They are not options. Like that we can verify the condition. And now you can take this one, 81 power. Second one is power x minus y. 81 power x minus y is equal to, you can take 3 power 8. 81 means what we can take, children? 3 power 4. 3 power 4 whole power x minus y is equal to what you are getting, children? 3 power 8. So shall I take 4 times of x minus y is equal to 8? Yes. You can cut like this. No, x minus y is equal to what we should get? X minus y is equal to 2 you should get. Difference must be 2, sum must be 4. Difference must be 2 and sum must be 4. Okay. So first option, second option satisfies all these conditions. That is the reason. So this will be the answer. Now we ask to find out x value, y value. Now let's see. We can solve both equations. X plus y is equal to 4. Then x minus y is equal to 2. Add both. If you add both, x plus x equal to 2x you are getting. 2x equal to 6 means x equal to 3. Finished. X equal to 3 means y is equal to 1. Because sum of two numbers must be 4. Sum of two numbers must be 4. See, I am teaching somewhat speedily. I can able to understand. Okay. But you must have some, you must habituate. You must habituate to answer all these questions like this. You can. If with proper guidance, you can. My dear children, there is no doubt with proper guidance, you can able to answer this. Now we are going to focus on question number 7, that is regarding everyday mathematics. Question number 7, children, regarding everyday mathematics. Sanket earns twice as much as in the month of March as in each of the following other months of the year. Okay, I repeat once again. Sanket earns twice as much in the month of March as in each of the other months of the year. What part of his entire annual incomes was earned in March? You know already total 12 months are there in a year. After 12 months, March month is there and remaining 11 months are there. So in each and every month, for example, 1 rupee is earning. You are following me now? In each and every month, for suppose is earning 1 rupee. That is the reason total 11 rupees. Then March month income must be 2 rupees because he is earning in the March month twice that of previous months, each of previous months. That is the reason what we can say in March 2 rupees. What is total annual income? 13 rupees. And question is what part of the entire annual earnings was in the March month? In March, how many we have? 2 parts we have. Out of how many parts? Out of 13 parts. 2 by 13 is the answer for this question. 2 by 13 is the answer for this particular question. After 7th question, now we are discussing 8th question, children. 8th question. Total we are going to focus on 8 questions. 10 questions. You know already. The perimeter of a triangle field. So now you can take a beautiful triangle. Now you can enjoy subject. If you can enjoy subject, you can able to answer like this. You can able to answer like this also, my dear children. Okay. Now one subject here. The perimeter of triangle. What is my perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all the lengths. For example, if ABC is the vertices of triangle, perimeter means simply what we can take, children? AB length, BC length and CA length. Sum of all 3 sides is nothing but perimeter. Okay. The perimeter of a triangle field is something given. Okay. 6p square minus 4p plus 9 given. And 2 of its sides are something. 2 of its sides are 1 given and 2 given. He asked to find out the third side. Perimeter means sum of all sides, no? From this you subtract these 2 sides. If you subtract two sides, you are going to get third side. Means first what you do is you add p square. First we are going to add both. P square minus 2p plus 1 is one side. Next one is 3p square minus 5p plus 3 other side. 3p square plus p square, what you are getting? 4p square minus 5p minus 2p, what you are getting? Minus 7p. 3 plus 1 means what you are getting? 4. Okay, now this is the sum of the lengths of 2 sides. In order to get the third side from total perimeter, what is perimeter? 6p square minus 4p plus 9. From this total perimeter, subtracting only sum of the lengths of 2 sides, you are going to get the length of the third side. Since I am subtracting, sign will change. You know already. Subtraction, no, sign will change. Subtraction means simply sign will change. 4p square minus 6p square minus 4p square means you can take 2p square minus 4p plus 7p means you are going to get 3p. 9 minus 4 means simply what we can take? 5 we can take. 9 minus 4 means simply we can take 5. 2p square plus 3p plus 5. 2p square plus 3p plus 5. Therefore, third one is the answer for this question. What is the answer for this question? B. B is the answer for this particular question. Okay. What happened? So B is the answer for this question. Yes. Now with this, this section also finished. Now we are going to focus on achiever section. As part of the achiever section, we are going to focus on 9th and 10th questions. 9th and 10th questions. Yeah. Now listen. Now we are focusing on 9th question, children. What is 9th question? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks and select the correct option. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 statements. And P, Q, R, and S. Okay, nice. See, in order to answer this, whenever this kind of situations arises, no, you just to do the elimination method. Elimination method is the best method. Elimination method is the best method. Now, what we can take here? First observe here. A number ending in dash number of zeros never be a perfect square. You know already perfect square number never end with odd number of zeros. Yes or no? Perfect square never end with odd number of zeros. Because if you are taking the square of the number, no, you are going to get 2 zeros. Square means how many zeros? 2 zeros. 0 square means 0, 0, 0. For example, what I wanted to say is you find out 20 square. 20 square means how much? 400. How many zeros you are getting? 2 zeros. The number ending in odd number of zeros is never a perfect square. For example, if you are getting 4000, 4000 never be a what we can say perfect square. Odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros means you can take either this option or this option. Means B and C are not answers. So B is not the answer, C is also not the answer. Only either A or D. Accordingly, we'll verify. Now you can focus on this one. The sum of the first n odd natural numbers. You know already the sum of the first n odd natural numbers. The sum of the first n odd natural numbers means what we can take. N square you can take, or you can take, if you can't understand, you can take first two odd numbers 4 and first three odd numbers 9. First three odd numbers means 3 square. First two odd numbers means 2 square. First n odd numbers means n square. Therefore, D is the answer for this question. D is the answer for this question. Now we are going to focus on question number 10, 10th question, which is the last question. So this also we can answer in a smart way. Now once observe here, the cost of a digging a cuboidal pit, which is 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep. The area of the rate of 30 rupees per meter cube is. Okay, very simple. No, we have to find out the volume. The cost of digging a cuboidal pit, cuboidal pit, which is 8 long. So length given, length is 8 meters, breadth is 6 meters, deep is 3 meters. Length into breadth into height, you are going to get volume. This volume into 30 rupees. This volume into what we can say simply 30 rupees. You are going to get the required amount. How much you are getting? 3 3s are 9. This is 9 6 you are getting 54. 54 8 times. 54 8 times means you are getting 832. You are getting simply, yes or no? This is 432. 432. Yes or no? 432. Yes, that is equal to 432. You have 0. 432 0 means unfortunately we have two options. 432 0. Here also what we have? 432 0. In order to eliminate from these two, we should answer even second question also. We should think about second question also. A petrol tank is in the form of a cylinder. Okay, diameter given, diameter of cylinder given, diameter of cylinder given, which is 3 meters and length is 7 meters. The quantity of the petrol that can be stored in its is q liters. 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. Okay, he asked to find out how much petrol can it stored in that particular tank. In terms of liters, you have to identify. So one thing you can take know what it is. That particular tank is in the shape of cylinder. Yes or no? That particular tank is in the shape of what we can say cylinder. Now I don't want to say complete. I need not to say complete answer. You can able to answer this question in a smart way because we are doing only elimination. For example, roughly I drawn cylinder. Cylinder volume is what? Cylinder volume is pi r square h. Pi is how much? 22 by 7. 22 by 7 means 22 is what we can say 11 multiple. Now remember, among these two, our answer must be 11 multiple. Our answer must be what we can say 11 multiple. Like that in a smart way we can say. Whichever is the 11 multiple that we can take. So 358. Is it 358 is divisible by 11? Once observe here. 358 is not divisible by 11. Observe this one 495. 11 4s are 44. 11 5s are 55. Yes. This option is, this number is divisible by what we can say 11. That is the reason you can say the answer third option. Now this you failed. C is the answer for this question. So I hope you understood. I explained you in a smart way. Sorry. So in order to understand all this, you should also have a proper what we can say guidance. If you have a proper guidance, no, you can able to answer all these questions in a very smart way. Not only level 1, even level 2 also. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt regarding this question paper or not only this question paper regarding your Olympiad examinations, you can WhatsApp on this number 9866236327. I am teaching this subject from India. India country code is +91 9866236327, so that I can give you the perfect proper guidance. So in under my guidance, my wish is at least 90% of students should clear level 2 examination. Okay, that is why my aspiration. So let's see how many of you are going to participate in this exam. Thank you all for watching this video. See you in the next video. Please do comment, like, share my YouTube channel, Math Smart by Prashant Sir. Thank you.